Naming your Tesla is a key personalization feature available on all models, from the Model S to the Cybertruck. This feature was introduced around 2018-2019 and has been refined through software updates. This name appears in the Tesla app, on the car's touchscreen, and in notifications, making it easier to manage and identify your car. Especially in multi-Tesla households, this feature helps differentiate between vehicles and reduces confusion. It also integrates with features like Summon, where you can use voice commands like, "Hey Tesla, bring vehicle name here." You can name or rename your Tesla using either the car's touchscreen or the Tesla mobile app. Both methods are straightforward, catering to different preferences and situations. The touchscreen method is useful when you're in the car. The app offers remote convenience. Naming is a core personalization tool available across all Tesla models. To name your Tesla using the touchscreen, first ensure your car is powered on and unlocked. Then, navigate to the Controls menu on your touchscreen. From Controls, select the Software option. In Software, select Name Your Car. Select the current name, if any, edit it to your desired name, and confirm the change. Remember, the name must be unique within your Tesla account. To name your Tesla using the mobile app, available on iOS 15 and later, or Android 8 and later, start by opening the app on your smartphone. Once the app is open, select your vehicle from the home screen to access its controls. In the Vehicle menu, tap on Settings to access customization options. Scroll through the settings and choose the Vehicle Name option. Enter your desired vehicle name, keeping it under 20 characters with letters, numbers, spaces, and basic punctuation. Tap Save to confirm and apply the new name. If your vehicle is online, the change will sync instantly. If not, it will apply the next time the car connects to the internet. Tesla's naming system has a few rules to ensure smooth operation. First, names must be unique within your account to avoid confusion when managing multiple vehicles. Second, names can be up to 20 characters long, giving you flexibility while keeping them manageable. Third, you can use letters, numbers, spaces, and basic punctuation to create your name. However, special characters and emojis are not allowed due to software constraints. These rules ensure compatibility across all Tesla systems, providing a reliable naming experience. Naming your Tesla isn't just for show. It integrates with several key features. For example, you can use voice commands with Summon and Smart Summon by referencing your car's name. This makes it easier to manage your vehicle remotely and enhances the overall user experience. Voice commands work through the car's built-in Alexa or Tesla's own voice assistant. Looking ahead, Tesla's vehicle naming system is evolving with deeper AI integration. Currently, the feature works through manual customization, but AI enhancements are already underway. Grok, Tesla's AI assistant, could analyze your driving patterns and suggest custom names that reflect your habits. For example, frequent highway driving might suggest Speed Demon, while efficient short trips could result in Eco Warrior. These suggestions would appear in the app or touchscreen, making personalization effortless. With the rollout of robotaxis like the Cybercab, vehicle naming could become dynamic for shared and rental services. Instead of fixed names, vehicles might display contextual names based on your trip, such as ride to airport or downtown pickup, enhancing the autonomous experience. These advancements fit into larger trends in electric vehicle personalization. As EVs become more software-driven, AI-enhanced features like intelligent naming help build emotional connections with vehicles. This personalization boosts brand loyalty, encourages EV adoption, and solidifies Tesla's position as an innovator in AI-powered transportation. As Tesla continues to innovate, vehicle naming evolves from a simple customization to an AI-powered experience that enhances every drive.